guys, today we'll be teaching you about camera angles.
Are you wondering how to make a good scene or film with just an iPad or an iPhone?
Well, we're gonna show you how!
First, we'll be talking about the different kinds of shots.
Wide, long, medium, detail, over the shoulder, and Dutch shots are just some of the standard camera angles used in live action films.
Let's talk about wide shots first. Wide shots can be used to convey loneliness or to introduce a setting.
Here's a good example of a wide shot.
Here, I am being portrayed as a lonely guy in a big, cruel world. This can be used after a climactic event in a film.
Next, we'll be talking about the long shot.
This is where a scene is showing a full character's body from head to toe.
This can be used when you're introducing a character to a news or a story.
Here's a good example of a long shot.
Oh no, I'm late for class.
As you can see, the long shot was filmed from the side and showing you how Kellen was running to get to class because he was late.
Alright, next we'll be talking about the medium shot.
This shot shows a person or people from the waist up.
This camera angle can show a conversation, a character presenting something, or a character's emotions.
Here's an example of a medium shot.
Wait, there's one more thing. Something new, something bold. The best iPad yet. The iPad 9th Gen.
Now, let's talk about detailed shots.
A detailed shot shows a close-up of something important.
This can be used to portray a feeling of suspense.
Here's a cool example of a detailed shot.
Next, we have the over-the-shoulder shot.
This can be used when a conversation between two characters is occurring on a table.
This can show that there are two people in a set, better than a medium shot. Here's an example.
Last, let's talk about the Dutch angle.
This camera angle is a medium angle but tilted at about 45 degrees.
This gives a sense of uneasiness and as if the world is on its side.
Here's an example of a scene using a Dutch angle. Oh no! My project! No!
Well, those are some pretty cool scenes, right?
We hope you enjoy it! Bye!